Thank you for watching this video. Today we will demonstrate the vSeeBox V2 Pro model's new voice control feature. With the voice control voice command, you can achieve many functions without typing with the remote. It makes watching TV and movies, surfing the net, or even controlling your smart home accessories easier. Now let's go through the remote setup procedure. When you receive the vSeeBox V2 Pro, after connecting with power, the box will start initializing. After initializing is completed, it shows a blue screen and guides you to pair the remote and the V2 Pro. This step is important. This will pair the remote with the vSeeBox by Bluetooth, and the voice control feature will only work when Bluetooth is connected. Now hold the OK button and volume down buttons together to let the vSeeBox recognize the Bluetooth from the remote. It will show remote control connected successfully when it's paired. Now you can finish the remaining initial setup like language, network, etc. As our voice control feature is Google Assistant compatible, we suggest logging into your Google account to get the most features out of Google Assistant and connect with your other Google smart home accessories. Please open System Settings on the third row of the home screen. Select Device Preference. Scroll down and select Google Assistant. Turn it on and it will ask if you want to log in to your Google account at this moment. You can choose Sign In or use Assistant without Sign In. Please do not choose the Skip option as it may end result the voice control feature not working. Then choose the Allow option enabling voice control searching across all the apps. Now you can start trying out the vSeeBox voice control function. It supports both system apps and vSeeBox Heat apps. For system apps, take YouTube TV as an example. You can press one time the voice button on the remote, then speak Open YouTube and play Justin Timberlake and it will play. You can also speak Open Netflix or Open Disney Plus to open the apps easily. Heat apps are also compatible with the voice control feature. To call out the Heat Live TV, you can say, Watch TV or Live TV or Heat Live. You can use the voice control feature to search for the channels you want inside the Heat Live. For example, say ESPN or Los Angeles or New York. For multiple options, it will show up on the screen and you can choose the right one. Same for Heat VOD. To call out Heat VOD app, you can say, Movies or TV series or TV shows or Heat VOD. You can use the voice control feature to search for the movies and TV shows you want inside the Heat VOD or Heat Ultra. For example, say Yellowstone, it will show up on the screen and you can choose the right one. If the voice control is not working with notifications like, didn't catch that or didn't hear that, please check if any external device or dongle is plugged into the USB 2 port. Remove it or plug it into the USB 1 port and the voice control feature will work again. Please also make sure you have allowed all the permissions of the microphone feature on the system. To do that, please visit System Settings on the home screen, Apps, and select App Permissions, then select Microphone. Now allow permissions for all the available apps and system apps.